Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are starting a new year, 2026. Today's January 2nd, and of course, the first day usually of the month, but it was New Year, and I thought I'd take it easy. We always take a look every month at the beginning of the month, the Windows market share. Something interesting is happening, and when you have 1 month off, there's one thing. But when you got two in a row, you're wondering what is happening. And here is what's happening. So if you look in November compared to October, there was a drop in Windows 11 market share. And from November to December, another drop. Actually, a whole pretty much almost 5% drop in Windows 11 in these 2 months. And look at the curve for Windows 10, which actually is growing pretty much at almost the same pace, a little less. Definitely something weird is happening. And 1 month you say, well, maybe the numbers are skewed. There's something not right. But 2 in a row, definitely is going to be interesting to see when we get to February what January will look like. If there's a third month of drop, there's definitely something in the decline that's happening. Most of it compensated by a rise in Windows 10. Did some people move to Windows 11 and then decided to go back to Windows 10 and use the extended updates or zero patch or something? This is very, very interesting. Definitely doesn't help Windows 11. Definitely Microsoft does not be happy with this. But still, Windows 11 is right now dominant at 50.7%. Windows 10, 44.6%. And if we look in more details, specifically here in North America, the market share has actually also gone down here. Market share in North America is much higher than the rest of the world, but there's a drop in North America. So this is difficult to explain without just thinking that, well, a certain number of people have decided that they want to go back to Windows 10. This is even more difficult to see when you think about the fact that most PCs, well, all PCs sold today are all Windows 11 PCs. That means that there isn't enough Windows 11 PCs being sold, and to compensate for some people going back to Windows 10, I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about what's happening right now? In North America, it's 60% for Windows 11, 35.6% for Windows 10. Very interesting. We are starting the year with an interesting number and an interesting drop in Windows 11 versus Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.